Hello, and welcome back to Kitchen Counter Yoga. We've been working with standing poses, strengthening our legs. We've started with some poses strengthening our upper body, our torso, lengthening our spine. So it's time to experiment with some balance poses. Let's begin with Warrior 3. This is actually kind of a challenging pose, but the kitchen counter makes it very accessible. So there are 3 ways to do this. You can stand right at the kitchen counter. Your feet are 12 inches away, give or take. Deep breath in. Lean your body forward. Press your navel to your spine. Let your chest rest on the kitchen counter as you lift one leg behind you. Breathing. Focus on the lift in your lower abdomen. Focus on the strength in your outer thigh, on your standing leg. Let the counter support you. Use all the support that you need. A couple of deep breaths here. Inhale, come up. Shake out your legs. And come over to the other side. Rest your chest on the kitchen counter. Let your back leg lift. Lift your lower abdomen. Use that. This is your primary support in this Warrior 3 pose. Your lower abdomen and your upper abdomen are really supporting your body weight. Deep breaths. Test your balance a little bit. Inhale, come up. Shake out your legs. My balance is better on some days than others. There's a second way to do this. Standing back from the kitchen counter, we've practiced our down-faced dog, our kitchen counter dog. Stretching your hips back, letting your spine be really long. From here, press your abdomen in towards your spine. Lift one leg. Breathe into that stretch. You still have the support of the kitchen counter. Feel the strength in your upper thigh. Feel the strength in your lower abdomen. Reach through your torso. Reach through your arms. And back down. Shake out your legs. Stretch back. Down face dog. And come to the second side. Strengthening the other standing leg. Lifting your lower abdomen towards your spine. Breathing through your entire torso. Stretching long. A couple of deep breaths. And step back down and release. So these are 2 ways to get into Warrior 3 pose using the kitchen counter. They're actually not the easiest. Here's a way that is the most fun. You're standing back at a little bit of a distance from the kitchen counter. Step toward it, reach one leg up, press your navel up towards your spine, hands rest on the counter, and again, stretch that back leg way back. Strengthen your standing leg at the upper thigh, the outside of your thigh. Reach long through your torso. And inhale, come up. Second side. Stepping back at a distance from the kitchen counter. Step forward. Reach towards the counter. Stretch that back leg long. Belly lifts up towards your spine. Reaching through your torso. Reaching through your Shoulders reaching through your arms. Warrior 3 pose with the support of the counter in front of you. Inhale, come up. These are 3 good ways to begin. In time, you'll have the strength in your upper thighs, in your lower abdomen, and you'll have the sense in your body's positioning to reach for the kitchen counter and extend your arms long. Don't rush that. Everything comes in time. Give yourself the chance to find your body with support. And I'll see you for our next balance pose next time. Until then, namaste.